I'm the tallest land animal you can find, with a long neck that helps me reach the highest leaves. My coat is covered in unique, patchy spots. What am I?
I'm a giraffe.
I'm huge, gray, and carry a built-in hose. I use this hose to drink, greet my friends, and cool off. I'm known for my excellent memory. What am I?
I am an elephant.
I wear a glorious mane that sets me apart. My roar thunders across the land. Though called the king of the jungle, I often roam the savannah with my pride. What am I?
I am a lion.